Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek. Welcome to our June 2020 updates. As you can see, we are in the matter page, more specifically in the billings tab. It was reported by clients that you would like the counters for worked and billable hours to update together with the financial totals when a billing is edited. And of course, that's very sensible. I'm now going to add 10 hours to a billing to demonstrate that the total is now going to update upon the save or deletion of that billing. So if you were to change something, it would automatically update your statuses. Last but not least, and actually most important, it was further noted that when you use the Add Time Entry button, it's not necessary to be redirected to the Add Time Entry page. Rather, right now the system would display a pop-up. Why is a pop-up good? Because when you fill in your hours, let's say one more hour of administrative work, and you click Save, it's going to get automatically included into the Billings tab. You're going to get redirected back to the Billings tab, and it is going to be now finally noted into the totals. What's further, you can edit a billing multiple times. We detected a bug that previously it had been impossible without reloading the Billings tab, but now everything is possible and it works in an intuitive way. The same, by the way, is going to happen if you go on the client page. So adding a time entry is going to still open a pop-up where, of course, you will have to select the matter first. So I hope this eases your everyday usage of the system, and thank you very much for watching.